Good evening, all. This video is a video.NET framework. So, in this video, we will discuss about what is edu.NET, then assembly user in edu.NET, then namespace user in edu.NET, and features of edu.NET. So, first of all, what is edu.NET? Edu.NET provides a bridge between front-end controls and backend database. In this diagram, the connection object is used to establish a connection to a data source. Then command object is used to execute SQL statement or store procedure against the data source. Then data reader object is used to retrieve data from the data source in read-only and forward-only manner. And last one, data set object is used to represent in a memory cache of data that can be modified and synchronized back to the data source. Now, assembly used in edu.NET. So first of all, what is assembly in edu.NET? In edu.NET, an assembly is a collection of one or more files that contains the code and metadata that can be used by the .NET runtime. Assemblies in edu.NET are used to provide database connectivity and data access functionality to .NET application. The main assemblies used in edu.NET is system.data.dll. This is the main assembly which contains the core edu.NET classes and interface. This assembly is a part of the edu.NET framework and it is automatically installed with it. Some assemblies are used for data provider. For example, system.data.sql client, then system.data.oldb, and system.data.oracle client. Overall, assemblies are a key component of edu.NET as they provide the building blocks for database connectivity and data access in .NET application. Now next, namespace used in edu.NET. First of all, what is namespace? A namespace is a way to organize a group-related classes and types into logical unit. Namespaces are used to prevent naming conflicts between different classes and types, and to make it easier to find use related classes and types. Some namespaces frequently used in edu.NET. First is system.data. This namespace contains the core edu.NET class that are used to work with data. It includes classes such as connection, command, data reader, and data adapter. Next one is system.data.sql client. This namespace provide classes for working with SQL Server database. It includes classes such as SQL connection, SQL command, SQL adapter, and SQL data adapter. Next one is SQL data OLEDB. This namespace provides classes for working with OLEDB data source. It includes classes such as OLEDB connection, OLEDB command, OLEDB data reader, and OLEDB data adapter. Next one is system.data ODBC. This namespace provides classes for working with ODBC data source. It includes classes such as ODBC connection, ODBC command, ODBC data reader, and ODBC data adapter. Now, next one is system.data.common. This namespace provides classes that are common to all data provider in edu.NET. It includes classes such as DB connection, DB command, DB data reader, and DB data adapter. This namespace contains a wide range of classes that developer can use to work with data in their application. By using these classes, developer can easily connect to database, execute queries, and retrieve and update the data. Next one is features of edu.NET. First one is contains a number of classes. It means that provide you with various methods and attributes to manage communication between your application and data source. Next, enable you to access different data source. It means you can access multiple servers such as Microsoft SQL Server and XML as per your requirement. Next, last one is provides various data providers. It means that are specific to a database produced by various vendors. For example, edu.NET is a separate provider to access data from Oracle databases, whereas another provider is used to access data from SQL databases. Thank you.